Hi, Sabrina. Okay, so this is lesson 1, number 18, D and E. So D and E says how many CDs cost between $14.50 and $26. So $14.50 to $26. I'm going over those two. That's from here to here. They're asking you how many people are represented here. So you know that there are 12 CDs, they tell you in the very beginning, represented in the whole thing. And we know that there's 25% in each section. So you divide 12 into 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. That means each section represents 3 CDs. So 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. So the middle two sections are 3 and 3, so there are 6 CDs represented there. And then in part E, how many CDs cost less than $14.50? That's just this lower section. There's 3 CDs there.